Hey guys, today I have with me the Cosmic Byte CB-GK-05 Titan wired gaming keyboard. It is also known as WSD gaming keyboard, which stands for Wired Aluminum Sleek Design. Titan gaming keyboard from Cosmic Byte comes with a sleek aluminum body and rainbow LED backlighting for a stunning look and premium feel. This is the box. In the front side we can see the Cosmic Byte logo and the model name. On the back we can see its specifications. Okay, let's unbox it. You will get a user manual inside the box. You can see the multimedia function, gaming model of control and product highlights in it. It is a membrane keyboard with drain holes at the bottom, which means the Titan gaming keyboard is ready to face accidental spills while in action. Although spill damage is not covered under warranty, the Titan stands a good chance of surviving accidental spills. A braided 1.6 meters long cable with a USB interface rounds off the Titan keyboard's attributes. Supported operating systems include Windows 98, 2000, XP, VISTA, 7, 8, 10 and above. The rainbow LED backlighting is adjustable to 4 brightness levels, matching the Titan keyboard to your mode. These are the dimensions of this keyboard. This keyboard weighs 774 grams. It has a LED backlighting on and off switch. With dedicated multimedia hotkeys, taking control of key actions is a simple 6 anti-ghosting keys help prevent response delays while you game on regardless. The keycaps are also scratch resistant and have a healthy 10 million keystroke life. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and also make sure that you have enabled the bell icon.